we're gonna do a slime video.
We're just making a normal slime. So we kind of already started. So we have our slimes. This is clear glue.
Yeah, so we have 2 bottles of clear glue. We have 1 bottle of color changing glue, and it says just add sunlight.
And 2 bottles of glow in the dark glue, 1 blue and 1 pink.
Mm-hmm.
And we have our
magical liquid.
The fabulous magical liquid.
It's magical. And then we have some decorations to like make our slimes pop.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you what I added. I first added like the color changed. I added the color change, and then I added a little bit of the glow in the dark, and then I added almost all of the clear glue.
And then I added is the glow in the dark, a tiny bit of my clear glue because I don't want to waste like Valeria, and then then I added the
Where did that go?
change in blue, and then then the pink. So let's get started.
I think mine will turn out like a mermaid blue with a little bit of glitter. So you can see here, this is how it looks right now.
Oh, and guys, and here's the first slime that I made. It's very stretchy, and I love slime. And this time, I hope this one turns out good. So we're just gonna randomly just add. And guys, we don't have that much slime videos. I mean, not slime videos. We don't have that much glues. But that's fine. I like it. It's fine for me. And guess what? We also have a new kitten. Her name is Chloe, and she's right here. I'm playing with something, and she's really cute.
Yeah. Every time you squeeze it, it makes interesting noises.
It's satisfying.
So interesting. Complete silence. Okay.
And we also have a dog, so we have a hermit crab that's named Hermie, and we have fish.
Okay. So. Okay, so right now I'm going to add in 1/4 of the magic liquid we have here. So here is my measuring.
I'm just randomly gonna add some pink to my awesome slime.
Now I'm going to dump it in. And I'm going to mix it all. Okay, I'm just going to use it.
Now I'm gonna use the tip of my clear glue. I don't want to waste my clear glue because maybe next time we will make another slime.
Why are you adding everything? Just add the activator.
I'm not adding everything. Well, kind of. Okay, I'm gonna add the activator. Where's the color?
So right now I'm mixing. It's already turning into slime. Oh.
Mix it.
Satisfying.
I'm scared. I'm just gonna mix it. Where is my spoon? It's lost.
So,
Hey, that's my spoon. I'm just gonna use this Wendy spoon. Okay, please turn down. I'm just gonna keep mixing and mixing. Here's my slimy slime. And it looks weird. It looks like
Keep
a
mixing it.
pastel. Mine looks a little like a pastel-y thing. A pastel-y slime thing.
uh-oh.
Do it.
Keep mixing. And we have to get out the glitters from it too.
We could have added shaving cream.
I'm
but
gonna
shaving
add in-
cream is only for like to make
I'm
it-
gonna add in some sprinkles to mine.
Is it slimy yet?
I'm
Valeria,
just
how much
gonna
glue do you put? One?
like a little bit of the clear glue, a little bit of it.
A full one?
Like the whole thing of clear glue. Like half of the blue, the change color, and
So add a little more activator. But Victoria, help her with a little more activator.
a
yeah,
little,
and I
Just a little more. Not a whole. No. Just
a little more.
Add it.
Okay, just a little bit more activator. I'm gonna be smart and I'm gonna use a tiny cup. I'm smart, right? Guys, I'm really smart. Can you believe that? I'm smart as
okay, now it's turning into slime.
I'm smart.
Whoa.
keep mixing.
Because I was on the safe side and I did not add the whole thing of my clear
More?
glue.
What?
More activator.
Okay.
Chloe, why are you
Give her more. Little more.
more?
Whoa. Okay.
If you add in too much, it won't be slime. But this magical liquid is not strong at all. Borax is stronger.
Okay. Whoa.
My slime looks satisfying. Mine's
Whoa, it
slime.
looks like a galaxy purple.
It's purple. Mine's purple. It's so pretty. Guys, here is our cat, Chloe. Isn't she so cute? And she has blue pearly eyes. She's so cute. She's so cute. And I'm very happy that we got her because our dad found her at his work. Like some
Okay. Mine is turning into slime.
Here's my slime. It's purple. It's like, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's like a galaxy. Look, it's like a galaxy purple.
Okay.
And yours is just blue. Mine's a galaxy purple.
Why is yours working and not
Because you added too much glue.
maybe?
You need more activator.
More? We're gonna waste
Because
that.
she added a whole bottle.
We're gonna waste that.
One whole bottle.
Okay.
That's not. How come mine?
Okay,
is
now
Keep
it's
mixing it, Valeria.
okay. Now mine is really into slime.
Mine's so glittery. I love this light purple
Okay,
galaxy.
can you mix it?
Okay, so since mine is now slime, mine is very stretchy. It's kind of glittery. It kind of has like a mermaid a blue cotton candy color, and it makes satisfying noises every time you poke it. It doesn't make a noise, but
Just for
it's
safety.
stretchy. Okay, so this is such a good
Actually, I'm
slime. Oh my god.
I'm not gonna add in. I'm not. I changed my mind. I'm just gonna keep on mixing my slime.
Okay.
I want to be the purple.
And mine may glow in the dark and it may change color because I added the glow in the dark and changed color glue. So I want to see how that works out.
Okay, guys, I think I'm ready for my slime. to form. Okay, here's my slime. It's so pretty. It's very satisfying. Like it's like it's goo, but like it's slime, and it's this pretty purplish galaxy color. It's so pretty, and then if you see very closely, it has some sparkles, and here's a yellow sprinkle. It's so pretty.
Okay, so here are our slimes super up close.
I'm gonna keep on mixing mine with my hands. Mine is so pretty. I love my slime here.
Okay, so thanks for watching this video. This was just a tutorial and stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like, yes.
And thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below which slime you like better. Who won?
Oh, it's not winning, but which slime is better?
Yeah.
Okay, so see ya. Bye.
Bye.